Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi device to POCO F7 Pro. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Now tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, choose whatever you want to, and then tap on your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of this Xiaomi device and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of POCO. Also on Xiaomi device, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a couple just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom, over here, and got it in the pop-up. Finally, you can pick one of those connection ways. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close an ad, allow camera access, and point your device's camera at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and then hit Receive button. Sorry, misclick. Close an ad. And as you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!